In this video, I'll guide you through how to limit appointments per day in your Dubsado scheduling calendar. If you use Dubsado to let clients book appointments online, setting a daily appointment limit can help you better manage your schedule and avoid becoming overbooked. This feature is especially useful if you offer consulting sessions, discovery calls, coaching appointments, or any service that requires a significant amount of time and preparation. By limiting how many appointments can be scheduled each day, you can maintain a balanced workload while still providing a great experience for your clients. To get started, sign into your Dubsado account and wait for the main dashboard to load. From the navigation menu on the left-hand side, click on Templates. This is where Dubsado stores your reusable templates, including your scheduling calendars. After opening the Templates section, select Scheduler. You'll now see a list of your existing scheduling calendars. If you're creating a new scheduling calendar, you can choose Add Template. Otherwise, simply select the scheduling calendar that you want to modify. Clicking on it will open the calendar settings, so you can customize how appointments are booked. Once the scheduling calendar is open, look for the Advanced section and click on it. This area contains additional scheduling options that allow you to fine-tune how your calendar behaves beyond the basic availability settings. Next, scroll down until you reach the Appointment Details section. Here you'll find the setting that controls the maximum number of appointments that can be booked each day. If your current limit is 4 appointments per day, but you'd prefer to allow 5, simply change the value to 5. Likewise, you can lower the number if you want to accept fewer appointments and keep more time available for other work. After updating the daily appointment limit, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save. Dubsado will process your changes, and after a moment, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your appointment template has been successfully saved. Once the new setting is saved, your scheduling calendar will automatically enforce the updated daily appointment limit. When the maximum number of appointments has been booked for a particular day, additional clients won't be able to schedule another appointment for that date through your booking calendar. And that's all there is to it. Adjusting the daily appointment limit in Dubsado only takes a few clicks. By updating this setting in your scheduling calendar, you can better control your workload, avoid overbooking, and create a schedule that's easier to manage while continuing to offer clients a smooth online booking experience.